Hello everybody, it's Charlie's Trains. We have the Chessie systems, diesel engine, pulling a submarine car, hot molded steel car. It's pulling also liquid oxygen. A box car, two box cars. One's for Heinz pickles. And we have the Burlington here again, pulling a hopper car, tanker, two box cars, a flatbed, and also his caboose. Everything's looking great. Here goes the Chessie system with diesel engine with dual motors going around here, around the roundhouse, and coming up into the mountain. I hope everybody enjoys this video, and if you would, please go to YouTube and subscribe to me at Charlie's, with apostrophe S, Trains, and it's 9169. Thank you very much. Have a great day.